Windows. Microsoft's desktop operating system first launched in 1985 as a graphical layer on top of MS-DOS, created to make personal computers easier to use. It evolved into a full operating system with the Windows NT architecture in the 1990s. What makes Windows different is its massive software compatibility and deep support from hardware manufacturers. It dominates business and home PCs because it runs the widest range of applications, from office tools to high-end games, making it the most widely used desktop operating system in the world. macOS. Apple's desktop operating system traces its roots to the classic macOS from 1984 and was rebuilt on a Unix-based foundation called Darwin in 2001. It is designed exclusively for Apple hardware, tightly integrating software and devices. What sets macOS apart is its focus on polished design, strong security architecture, and optimized performance on Mac computers. It matters because it powers millions of creative professionals, developers, and everyday users who value stability and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Linux. Originally created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds as a free and open-source kernel, Linux grew into a family of operating systems built around community collaboration. It stands out because anyone can modify and distribute it, leading to hundreds of distributions tailored for different needs. Linux is especially popular on servers, supercomputers, and among developers because of its stability, security, and flexibility. It matters because it forms the backbone of much of the internet and modern cloud infrastructure. Android. Developed by Android Incorporated before being acquired by Google in 2005, Android is a Linux-based mobile operating system designed primarily for touchscreen devices. Its open-source foundation allows manufacturers to customize it for phones, tablets, TVs, and more. What makes Android different is its global reach across many brands and price points. It matters because it powers the majority of smartphones worldwide, making mobile computing accessible to billions of people. iOS. Apple introduced iOS in 2007 alongside the first iPhone, building it on a Unix-based core similar to macOS. It is designed exclusively for Apple's mobile devices, including the iPhone. What differentiates iOS is its tight hardware-software integration, controlled app ecosystem, and emphasis on privacy and performance optimization. It matters because it set the standard for modern smartphones and remains one of the most influential mobile platforms. Chrome OS. Created by Google and first released in 2011, Chrome OS is a lightweight operating system built around the Chrome browser and a Linux kernel. It was designed for simplicity, speed, and cloud-based computing, especially in affordable laptops called Chromebooks. What makes it different is its focus on web applications and automatic background updates. It matters because it has become popular in schools and organizations seeking low-cost, secure, and easy-to-manage devices. Unix. Developed in the late 1960s at Bell Labs by AT&T researchers, Unix is one of the earliest multitasking, multi-user operating systems. It introduced design principles that shaped nearly every modern operating system. What makes Unix distinct is its modular philosophy, where small programs work together through a command line interface. It matters because it laid the foundation for Linux, macOS, and many enterprise systems still used today. FreeBSD. Emerging from the Berkeley software distribution in the early 1990s, FreeBSD is a free and open-source Unix-like operating system. It is known for its advanced networking, performance, and permissive licensing. What makes FreeBSD different is its focus on delivering a complete operating system rather than just a kernel, with strong documentation and consistency. It matters because it powers parts of major infrastructure systems and is valued for reliability in servers and networking equipment. Solaris. Originally developed by Sun Microsystems in the early 1990s based on Unix, Solaris was designed for enterprise servers and large-scale computing environments. It became known for innovations like ZFS file systems and advanced performance tools. What makes Solaris stand out is its emphasis on scalability and stability in mission-critical systems. It matters because it influenced enterprise computing and continues in modern forms under Oracle for specialized business use. MS-DOS. Created by Microsoft in 1981 for IBM personal computers, MS-DOS was a command-line operating system that laid the groundwork for early PC software. It lacked a graphical interface, requiring users to type commands to perform tasks. What made MS-DOS different at the time was its simplicity and compatibility with a growing ecosystem of programs. It matters because it established Microsoft's dominance in personal computing and paved the way for Windows. Ubuntu. First released in 2004 by Canonical, Ubuntu is a popular Linux distribution designed to make Linux more accessible to everyday users. It builds on the Debian project and focuses on user-friendliness, regular release cycles, and strong community support. What makes Ubuntu different is its balance between open-source flexibility and polished usability. It matters because it introduced millions of users to Linux and remains widely used on desktops, servers, and cloud platforms.